Alright guys, so I got my cheapo eBay exhaust dump electric with the remotes. I had the guy weld it in, and I just want to show you what I'm doing. I'm about to wire it up. So, you know, the truck has these cooler type storage boxes. Drilled a hole here. I'm about to drill a bigger hole. Alright. Then we're going to pop this bad boy through the hole. And now we have our wire for our exhaust dump out of the elements. And then we could still, when we're not using it, shut that perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some gasket maker. I'm going to blow this out, get some gasket maker, fill the hole, and then I'm going to wire it up. And then once I wire it up, I'm going to open the valve, adjust it, tighten everything down, put my nipple on. So I'm going to put you guys on pause. I'm going to do that right now. Alright guys, so it was hard for me to hold the phone and make the video. So there, I just put some gasket maker to fill the hole there. I'm going to let that dry. And now we're going to take our box here. Let me see if I can balance the phone. Hold on, I'm just getting the wires. I have to re-silicone that after I'm done. You know what? I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to let that dry. And I'm going to make a part 2 video. So let me fix that. I'm going to let it dry. And then I'll make a part 2 video of me wiring it all up. All right?